go. I was just out here, y'all, looking. Look at this deer track. I'm pretty sure that's a deer track. At least I believe this is deer track. You hunters tell me, is this deer? I like to look at the deer. I don't like to hunt them. Oh, I'd have to. I love eating deer meat though. Deer meat's good. But is that a deer? And if so, how big do you think this guy was? Let's see, I'm gonna follow the tracks. I believe that has to be deer. We have a lot of deer around here. So, here I go. Closed up out. Looks like he went off in these. Why would the deer go off in the sticker bushes? Because look, y'all, this is a bunch of sticker bushes down through here. And it looks like he went off in there. Then he, sure. Oh, here's some tracks too. Let's see, there we go. Oh, there's water. I just heard water underneath there. Snow was melting, so looks like it's a longer track right there. And I was off in here yesterday, so this is all me. But yeah, but since then, the deer have been off in here. And then there's other tracks over here. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, here's a whole bunch of tracks. I guess the deer all came. Well, there's tracks leading that way, and then there's tracks leading that way up into that little brush right there. But I wonder, oh, and there's tracks leading from the wood line there. But yeah, look at these tracks, y'all. It's a deer. And then they cross where they went up that way. And then they went off in there. Look at this. Oh, this is a lot of deer track. Looks like they all kind of milled around right here in this general area off into here. Then they go back off in the distance. Yeah, it's deer. It's got to be. Anyway, I was just coming out to see how much snow melt we got today. It's starting to melt off. But yeah, anyway, this one's a pretty good sized track. You think that's a big old boy? I don't know. You hunters tell me. Anyway, bye.